Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics that change loudness. Update the Solo 3 wireless firmware and select the best codec on your source device, because codec choice affects signal strength and clarity. Once done, raise both source and speaker volumes to about 75–90% so you have headroom for gain staging without clipping. Make sure to prefer wired input, USB-C or 3.5 line-in, when available, since wired paths deliver higher and more reliable output than Bluetooth. You now shape the signal. Open your device EQ and gently boost the low mids around 100–300 Hz to increase perceived loudness, while cutting 250–500 Hz to reduce muddiness. This makes power feel greater without raising peak levels. Once you've dialed EQ, enable high power or party mode on the speaker if present, and use a limiter or soft clipper to tame peaks. If driving an external amp or powered speakers, set the preamp to unity gain, then raise the amp slightly while listening for distortion. You finish by testing loudness across tracks and genres, listening for clipping or Bluetooth interruptions. This reveals whether EQ or gain needs adjustment. Make sure the Solo 3 battery is charged, since low battery sometimes lowers maximum output. Keep it plugged in for longest sessions. If volume still seems limited, reset the speaker's Bluetooth pairing and reapply firmware. Then try a wired input or a different source device to isolate the problem. If distortion appears, reduce gain and reintroduce EQ slowly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.